कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
आज सकाळी 16 तारखेक सकाळी एक आमचे रेग्युलर व्हेइकल चेकिंग चालू आशिल्ले. तातूंत आमचे सब इन्स्पेक्टर प्रथमेश आनी बाकी टीम आशिल्ली एट केरीन चॅकपोस्ट चोल्ला घाटा वयलो तेन्ना थंय आमकां 2 व्हेइकल सस्पिशियस क्रॉस जातना दिश्टी पडल्यो. सो आमच्या ऑफिसरांनी त्यो व्हेइकल स्टॉप केल्यो आनी ते चॅक केल्या उपरांत कळ्ळें की तातूंत एक व्हेइकलान 300 किलो बीफ आसा, मिन्स काव फ्लॅश, आनी दुसरे व्हेइकलान आसले ते 200 किलो काव फ्लॅश आशिल्लो, म्हणजे मीट बीफ. आतां ह्यो आमी त्या प्रत्येक गाडयेन 2 जाण ऑक्युपंट आशिल्ले, ड्रायव्हर आनी को पॅसेंजर, आनी दुसरे व्हेइकलान ड्रायव्हर आनी को पॅसेंजर आशिल्ल्यो. ते व्हेइकल एक आसली आमची हुंडाय कार आनी दुसरी आहा ती इटिओस. आमी ऑल द ऑक्युपंट्स वेर डिटेन आनी दे हॅव कन्फेस दॅट this beef was illegally transported from Belgaum to Goa. Further, we brought them at the police station and we have registered an offence against all the 4 accused persons. Offence was registered against under Section 8 of Goa Animal Preservation Act 1995. The arrested persons are from Vasco, that is Juwari Nagar, and 2 are from Karnataka. The person name is Anali Hussain Saab, to Murmugaojo, that is from Sakwa, Juwari Nagar. Sayyid Amish Mokashi, Toy Mungur Hill, Vasco. Third accused is Sohail Salim, he is also from Karnataka, Belgaum. And fourth accused is Irfan Asif Bhagwan, he is also from Belgaum, Karnataka. All these 4 accused persons were arrested under this relevant section of Section 8, and we have attached both the vehicle involved in the transporting the illegal beef. The modus was that the one shop which is there in Mapsa, they hired these people. The Mapsa person who is having the shop at market and Mapsa, his name is Asif. The modus was they used to keep the vehicle at one place, phoning the accused person saying that the vehicle is kept at so and so place, keys are kept below the tire, and these people should take the vehicle. The owner Asif, who is having the shop at Mapsa, they used to phone at Belgaum to load the vehicle, and their duty is to get the things loaded and come and keep the vehicle at that particular place. This was the modus operandi. Here the owner who was on the backing fatlan kon asa pay te exposed जायना आशिल्ले. So now after thorough interrogation we came to know that there is a bigger nexus, and we will be definitely summoning this Asif Chaudhary from Mapsa, who is having shop at Mapsa market, and we will take there will be more arrest in this case. This is a illegal transportation of beef going on, and then we have unearthed it. The PI Videsh Shuradkar has and his team has done a wonderful job. There was the inputs, so the inputs were given to my PI, and PI along with both the PSIs who are sitting with me, they have done a major breakthrough, and we will continue booking such cases.
सर, तुम्ही आतापर्यंत जो SP हांगासर चार्ज मेळ्ळा तेन्नाच्यान कितले तुम्ही आता केसी केल्या?
I took a charge at Bicholim STPO 3 months back. Within this span of 3 months, we have our team work. We have booked 5 cases under the illegal transportation of the beef. And means I appeal to all the public also, where if you are getting some information of any illegal such beef is being transported, or any of your people are doing illegal slaughtering, please contact us. It is a offence under relevant section, and we will book the cases accordingly.
These all 5 cases